All right, we're going to continue with our piece here. All right, we're getting some good shape out of our bird here. And it's looking good. It really is looking real good. Okay, let's go ahead and take a little bit off in here. Get this shape. A little bit in here. Let's come in a little bit more with the rock. See how that sort of sits on there like that. Now let's start shaping this rock just a little bit. We may do something a little bit different to this rock. We've done I don't know. I'll see what I decide here. Kind of get the sides kind of come in like that. There you go. See where it kind of scoops up like that. See, kind of does that. Okay. As we work on it. Bring that under it. Look at that. See the shaping process as we see it. Okay, now this actually comes up like this. In other words, it comes up to. So let's kind of get this shaped a little bit better in here. This actually comes kind of a point. And then comes up. There we go. Like that, see? And we sort of do this. Kind of like that. Sort of. And we bring this down to here. Like this. Sort of come down like that. There we go. Sort of bring this where it joins in here. take the saw marks out of it. Alright, we're getting down to the nitty-gritty here. Okay. There we go. More like that. Just kind of like that. Just shape the bird, just get it the way you want it. In other words, shape it out. Back here, and basically right now we're just shaping a little bit, and it's just about, we just about got it finished, our shape finished the way we want it. Okay. Kind of get the marks out, just like that. There we go. Now let me get my V-tool real quick. We'll go ahead and do just a little bit of look at our rock. See, we kind of went down here and just sort of shaped that just a little bit. Now if you want to take your V-tool, just kind of hit this area in here. You can do that. You don't have to. Just kind of want to just kind of hit that just a little bit. Go. Now look at that, see? Shape a little bit more. I want to just go a little bit more on this beak here. I want to round this off just a little bit more. There we go. Just kind of round that off just a little bit more in there. I want to be real. Let me take my knife. Let me do this because I'm just taking my knife, I'm just gonna, there we go, just like that. I just wanted to thin that up just a little bit in there. There we go. There we are. See, I just had to hit the right note here where I just kind of see where that grain was going. There we are. There we go. Okay, well look, let me go ahead and wet it. Look good when we get through with it. I'll probably just stain this most likely. These are absolutely great for, now I'll tell you what, if you want to, we can do this, that's up to you. We can go ahead and just put a little eye in there and a little eye over here, and just take your little V-tool and just like that, okay, and like that. All right, that's just barely kind of giving you an eye there. These are wonderful, wonderful projects for beginners because the shaping part. I know a lot of people get, I emphasize that so much, but a lot of people do not understand what it is to, you know, that don't carve or don't start carving. As a beginner, the most important thing is to learn just to shape something, round it off, do something like that. And these are the kind of projects, now look at that, these are the kind of projects that are excellent for stuff like that. There's a little hanging chad, as we say. I'll clean that up later. But there's your little project, look at that. And you stain that, or you can paint that. Sometimes I'll do that with a rock, and then I'll just go from there. Wonderful project for beginners, excellent to do, wonderful shaping project. And so there's our little abstract bird in a way. I don't exactly know what type of bird this is. Doesn't really matter, you know, I mean, to be exact. That's not really what bothered me at all. My most important thing is the shaping process. I saw a quail that was done. We may do that quail that was done with this type of shaping and stuff. And like I said, these are wonderful projects for beginners to learn how to shape carvings. And these are excellent. I mean, these are just excellent because there's not a lot of detail, and it's mostly all shaping, and that's it. So okay, God bless you now. And like I said, if you carve one, you don't have to carve one 2 inches wide. I just did that so that you could see better. Carve you one. This is 6 inches by 2 inches. So 3 inches or 4 inches by 1 1¼ whatever. And you've got a great little bird there. God bless you now. Thank you so much. And this is another little fine beginner project that we've done.